Welcome to this tutorial on how to edit your Facebook username. In today's digital age, having a consistent and recognizable online presence is crucial, and your Facebook username plays a significant role in this. Whether you're looking to update your username for personal branding, to reflect a name change, or simply to refresh your profile, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this menu icon to access the full range of Facebook's features. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This option will give you access to all your account settings. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Settings to proceed further. This will open up a detailed list of settings where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, scroll down and tap on Account Center. This is where you can manage multiple accounts linked to your Facebook profile, including Instagram if you have it connected. Within the Account Center, select Profiles. Here, you'll see all the profiles you have linked to your Facebook account. Choose the Facebook account you want to update. Once you've selected your account, you'll see several options, including name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Tap on Username to proceed with changing your current username. You'll see your existing username displayed on the screen. Tap on it to edit. Now, enter your new username in the provided field. Make sure it's unique and available, as Facebook won't allow you to use a username that's already taken by someone else. Once you've entered your new username, tap Done to save the changes. Facebook will instantly update your username across the platform. That's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook username. This simple process can help you maintain a consistent online identity and ensure that your profile reflects who you are today. Whether you're updating for personal or professional reasons, having control over your online presence is empowering. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process.